If you want to install Telegram on your Windows 10 PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so you can download, install, and sign into Telegram quickly and easily on your computer. This is a simple setup, and by the end of this tutorial, Telegram will be ready to use on your Windows 10 device. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser on your Windows 10 PC. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type telegram.org/apps and press enter. This will take you to the official Telegram apps page, which is the safest place to download the app from. Once the page loads, look for the version made for Windows. You should see an option that says Telegram for Windows. Click on that download option to start downloading the installer file to your computer. After the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder or click the downloaded file from your browser. The installer will usually be a .exe file, which is the Windows setup file. Double-click the Telegram installer to open it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. Next, the Telegram setup window will appear on your screen. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. In most cases, you can keep the default settings and simply click Install to begin the installation process. The setup will copy the necessary files to your computer and prepare Telegram for use. Wait a few moments while the installation completes. Once everything is finished, you may see an option to launch Telegram immediately. Go ahead and open the app if it does not start automatically. Telegram will now launch on your Windows 10 PC, and you'll be prompted to sign in. At this stage, you can either scan the QR code using the Telegram app on your phone, or enter your phone number manually if you prefer. If you're using the QR code method, open Telegram on your mobile device, go to Settings, and use the scan option to log in quickly and securely. If you choose the phone number method, type in your number, verify it, and complete the login process using the code sent to your phone. Once you're signed in, Telegram will sync your chats and contacts, and you'll be ready to start messaging right away. That's it. You've successfully installed Telegram on your Windows 10 PC and signed into your account. If you found this tutorial useful, please remember to like this video, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and share it with anyone who wants to set up Telegram on their computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.